You know I met her in Miami, that my baby.
You just like my sidekick, I just want to fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front.
Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back with another very special video. My bad, I'm just in a little bit of workout gear right here, but I'm about to get this quickly across to you guys. I do not condone or support the sale of any counterfeit goods or replica products. This is purely for informational, educational purposes. But let's get into it, guys. Boom. We have the Yeezy 700 in the brown, yellow kind of highlighter colorway. This is a very clean colorway, guys. It is so dope. I've always loved this 700 because of what they did with the sole and the shoe in general. It is such a dope like gym shoe or just a casual shoe. It has a wide style kind of foot, and it is very comfy and cozy, guys. It is probably one of my favorite Yeezys like ever. I really like the boot Yeezys and these as well too, guys. But as you guys can see, the quality is amazing, the feel is amazing, smell is amazing, and the shoe looks just so beautiful. You got the suede here, then you got the kind of like kind of more rough suede over there, and then you got some more leather around here, and then some other materials going all across, guys. But this is an amazing shoe, guys. I love it so much. I'm definitely gonna wear it with like just cozy kind of sweatpants vibes. That is pretty much what I'm gonna do with these 700s and what I always do with my 700, guys. And it's a really dope working out shoe. It's super low key, super nice low key flex and stuff like that as well too, guys. But guys, anyways, this is gifted by CN Fashion. I love y'all, guys. Amazing shoe. Oh, there we go. But like, comment, subscribe, guys. I love y'all. Let's get into up close without further ado. And hit me up on Instagram at PETYYVLNCI. And here's another look at this beautiful shoe, guys. And on this news, actually, Kanye is worth 6.6 billion. So he's the richest black man ever in America. So congratulations to him. Shout outs to him. I know he's going through divorce and all that, but money's definitely gonna help with that, I guess. But guys, look at it. Just amazing, guys. Love y'all. Take care. Yeah.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Shorty to fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one, let's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. Pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. Just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look.